Alright, so I'm going to do a demonstration on how to remove and then re-hook up the Polaris Lock and Ride Glacier 60-inch plow. So for starters, you're going to want to go ahead and unhook your winch cable. Go ahead and unhook that, and then you are going to want to pull up on the red handle. That'll allow your plow to disconnect. So next you're going to want to and then it'll come off on the little hooks after you pick up on it. You can't really see it, but there's a hook right here and a hook right here that's actually on the frame that allows you to snap it in there. And then there's two holes in the skid plate on the bottom, on the belly of the four-wheeler, that these little hooks hook up into. So, plow adjustment is this blue little handle right there. That'll allow you to angle your plow left or right. Okay. So hooking the plow up is pretty much the same as taking it off. You're going to want to pick up on the handle. And then slide it up on the frame. Hookups. And then so then once you do that, you lift the plow up. And then you take your right handle, push down on the right handle. And your Polaris plow is connected. I find that this plow setup's a lot better. I had a mid mount on my old four-wheeler and it was always getting hung up. This way, if you're doing any work in the woods, or you know, you're not going to get hung up on that plow attachment and you're not going to have to take it off. It's going to be just drive up to it when you're ready to plow and hook it up. And I find that this plow setup is more simple and easier to use than crawling underneath it and hooking it up with a mid mount. Be sure to give this video a like, comment on it, and subscribe. Gonna be doing hunting videos, do some fishing videos, product reviews on what products. Let me know what you guys think, and have a good day.